Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower freezer door hinge on this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, and tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open both refrigerator doors, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the toe kick plate. With the screws unthreaded, pull the plate free. Unhook the dispenser water supply line from the retainers. Depress the lock ring to release the water line from the coupler. Disconnect the dispenser wire connector. Next, use tape to secure the freezer door. Now pry the upper hinge cover off and use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two screws securing the hinge. Lift off the hinge. Remove the tape, then have an assistant help to lift the door off the lower hinge. Now use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the three mounting screws, securing the hinge to the frame. Set the old hinge aside. To install the new lower door hinge, align it on the frame, then thread and tighten the three mounting screws. Reinstall the door by feeding the wire and water supply line through the hole in the lower hinge as you set the door on the hinge. Close the door and secure it with tape. Realign the upper door hinge on the door and cabinet, and thread the two screws to secure. Snap the hinge cover into place, and remove the tape. Connect the dispenser wire connector. Then insert the water line into the coupler. Secure the water line in the retainers. Realign the toe kick plate on the lower frame and thread the two mounting screws. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.